Hello beautiful glue bookers. I took an old children's book and filled it with glue, literally. No theme, no rules, just page after page of magazine clippings and things I love. This one started as a forgotten vintage children's book with yellowed pages. Now it's packed with color, texture and all kinds of images that caught my eye. It's playful, a bit random and completely my style. I am Deborah. Welcome back to the collage table. This was a quick preview. Now let's get into it and flip through this finished glue book together. If you saw part 1 or part 2 of this glue book in progress, you'll recognize some of these spreads. But now the whole book is complete. Check out the 2 previous videos if you want to know more about the images I used and why I placed them how I did. My process in this one was super relaxed. Mixing cute and contemporary magazine clippings with vintage finds and no pressure to stick to a theme. This book is really just a reflection of what I love to glue. This is me on the left, together with my son here on the right page. Get your sparkle on, a nice way to start the book. And I like to keep a little of the book showing through, so this spread kept most of the book illustration intact. The rest of the book has mostly been covered by my collages though. So let's take a look. This is the first complete spread. Take a risk or lose the chance. Let's start something new. Here you need a second to focus on all that is happening, but I really liked how it all turned out. A bit chaotic in a way, still balanced. This one started out with an interior shot and a bunch of cacti, and it ended up with, I get it right sometimes. So, did I get it right with this one? I know I love this spread and everything on it. Always keep on dreaming, so I guess that's what I'll do. Can I pick any favorites? Because this one is up there. The vintage image from the Tina magazine, a chest sticker I got from my son, Moulin Rouge, and today's cancelled, go back to bed. I love it all. The Get Up and Glow spread turned out very nice with the muted colors and the paper doll images. I really enjoyed working on this one and I'm happy how it turned out. This spread took a bit longer to come together, but you know, it has Paris and Chanel, so it's quite impossible not to love this one. This spread is simple, but it feels complete. I didn't glue a lot on here. The left is one big image with the lips glued on, and the right is just 4 pieces on a background. Be kind, this one came together better than I expected. I had to work a bit to find the balance on these pages, but with a bit of moving things around, I think I got there in the end. This is another favorite. Is it because it features Indonesia or just how it came to look in the end? The page just works and everything finds its place. But this one is even better. I love it. I want every spread to give me this feeling. This is the one I would like to enlarge, print out and hang on the wall. Plus, green is my married name, so that adds to it, obviously. This is a very cute spread with lots of vintage cutouts combined with newer magazine images. It was a lot of fun to work on this spread. This next one feels like a little story almost, even if I'm not really sure what it's saying exactly, besides the big happy sign. This spread is a bit of a mix, lots of blue tones, some strong architecture and a photo of my son tucked into that pocket. Oh, little green. There's a lot of pink, red and purple happening here. And honestly, it royally feels right. Former Queen Beatrix, current Queen Maxima and Princess Diana. Fabulous. This spread is not perfect, but it got charm, I'll take it. Not every page can be my favorite. So take it easy. This is another page that shows a little bit of the original book, feel connected. There's sort of a rhythm to the spread that I didn't really notice while making it. I like it. Oh, I really enjoyed working on this spread from beginning to end. It's like everything here is speaking the same visual language in some way. I'm not a fan of clowns, but these can visit my glue book any day. Live mindfully. This is one of those spreads I wouldn't change a thing about. Everything just clicked here and found its place. Color, layout, images. This was a good glue day. This one took a bit more out of me, and I'm still not sure it reached its potential fully. Maybe it needs one more piece, but for now, this is it. And then you see this. 2 backgrounds, 3 image cutout, and it just works. They're all having a good time together. And this is the final spread, with that pink chair that took its time to find a place to land in this book. Watch the first video of this glue book to see that storyline, and check out the flip through playlist if you want to see more completed glue books. For now, thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!